students, welcome to Vidya Mirad. This video is made for class 6 on chapter number 3, Playing with Numbers. Let's begin with the first exercise 3.1 of NCERT. Question number 1. Find all the factors of the numbers given below. Number 1. Factors of 24 are. Now what we are going to do is we will see on what tables that 24 can come. Now first of all we will always start with 1. So 1 will be multiplied by 24 to get 24 as your answer. Next let's try with 2. So 2 will be multiplied by what to get 24. So in the rough column I can even divide 24 by 2. I know 2 12s are 24. Next 3 8s are 24 and 4 6s are 24. So all these numbers we will start writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 in the pattern like U. It will become like U. If you see 1, 2, 3, 4 then 6, 8, 12, 24. It's a format of U. In this way you need to write your answers. Now factors of 15. First will be always 1 into 15 and then think on what table 15 can come. Next will be 3 5s are 15. How will I write my answer? 1, 3, 5 and 15. Next, factors of 21 are 1 and 21. First step. Second step, think of the table where 21 will come. 3 7s are 21. We will not repeat the numbers, like you can say 3 7s are 21. So 7 3s are also 21. We will just write once. We will not repeat the numbers. So the factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. So you have to write into a U pattern. Next 27. So 27 is equal to 1 into 27 and 3 9s are 27. So the factors are 1, 3, 9 and 27. Next factors of 12. 1 into 12 it will come. Then 2 6s are 12. 3 4s are also 12. After that will that 12 comes? Yes, it will come. 6 2s are 12, but I will not write that number again. It is already written. So my factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Next, factors of 20. 1 into 20, 2 10s are 20, 4 5s are 20. So the factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Next we have to think of 18. Where does 18 come? I know it comes in the table of 2 also. It comes in the table of 3 also. So 1 into 18 in my first pair. Then 2 9s are 3 6s are. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Next factors of 23. Now 23 is a prime number. It doesn't go on any table. So only 1 and 23 will remain as their factors. Next 36. On what table 36 will come? 1 into 36. It will go on 2 also. Now children, whatever even numbers we have, you will see that all the even numbers 2 will be its factor. You may start with 2 whenever you think of an even number. So 36 is also an even number. So it will go on 2. So 2 18s are 36. Then it goes on 3 table also. 3 12s are 36. Next it goes on 4 also. 4 9s are 36. And 6 into 6 is also 36. So the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. So children, for this exercise, especially your factors or numbers, you should know the tables very well. Learn the tables thoroughly, then you will find it very easy. Question number 2. Write first 5 multiples of 5, 8 and 9. That means first 5 multiples means you just need to write the tables till 5. 5 means 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 5 3s are, 5 4s are, 5 5s are. Those will come the multiples. Multiples will become 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Same way 5 multiples of 8. So just write down 8 table till 5. You will get 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. and last is 9. So you need to remember 9 table till 5. So 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45 are the required multiples. So children, you should know the tables very well. Next, match the items in column 1 and column 2. Now here you are given column 1 as 35, 15, 16, 20 and 25. In column 2 you are given multiples and factors. So let us match with it. So 35 will go on what table or on what number? Is it a multiple of 8, 7, 70 or what? I know 35 is 5 7s are 35. So I can write it as it is a multiple of 7. It comes in the table of 7. 15. 15 is a multiple of 30. Why? Because 15 2s are 30. 16 is a multiple of 8 because 8 2s are 16. These are coming in their tables. So it becomes the multiple. Now let's talk about 20. What is the factor of 20? 20 into 1 is 20. It's given there. 25. Whose factor? 25 will be the factor of 50 because 25 into 2 becomes 50. That is the factor of it. Okay. Next, question number 4. Find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. Up to 100 means if I do my 9 table till 10, 9 tens are 90. That multiples means I need to write down the table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. We will stop here? No, we will try to find out the other number also, maximum number, because we want to go till 100. So next number will be 9 into 11. 9 11s are 99, which is below 100. So I will write my multiples of 9 till 99. So children, we finish exercise 3.1 here. Very soon I am going to come with exercise 3.2. Please practice this and please learn the tables by heart so that you are quickly able to find out the solutions. Tables are most important thing. Please learn the tables.